with the U.S. as a on the political level, it was never better, so it can deteriorate. It has always been a bad. It has always been a bad relationship, because
So growing up, it's fed into your mind that, okay, you should hate America, or America's not good, or the American government is not good. And you try, because
I took it upon myself when I said, I am never, if I have the capacity, going to allow for our religion to be misrepresented. I will try and make at least one bit of effort to sort of dent into the barrage of like sort of insults that are thrown into Islam when it's literally.
Well, I see that the relationship between what's called the Eastern world and the Western world is a very negative one, that has a lot of judgment and has a lot of misunderstanding. I see that their relationship, these two worlds, if you want to say, or two parts of the world, as a negative one, because you can see all the wars that's going on between them and all this misconfusion that happens all the time between the West and the East, or the judgments, the stereotypical ideas that they give for each other, and you can see them backfire all